any discomfort we're feeling in the body, let's look to restoring our nervous system. And the way we're going to restore the nervous system in this session is connecting in with our energy channel, the Bladder Meridian. Now, the Bladder Meridian is an energetic line that's on the left side of our body and the right side of our body. It is one of 12 meridians, and its job is to govern, of course, the organ of the bladder. So if you are waking up in the early morning or middle of the night to go to the bathroom, definitely look to restoring your bladder meridian, and in general, feel fatigue, anxiety, and aches and pains in the body. Looking to restore the nervous system by activating the bladder meridian is the first place to go. The meridian starts at the eyes, and it goes up the forehead to the top of the head, and then the energy lines come down the head, down the neck, and like waterfalls, 4 energy lines stream down our backside, pouring down through the buttocks, the hamstrings, the calves, and coming out the outer feet off the pinky toes. And now I invite you into a guided visualization for connecting in with your meridian line. Closing your eyes, bringing awareness to your breath, breathing in the fresh oxygen available to you, exhaling out any tension, any emotion. And with your eyes closed, imagine well springs of water, spring wells pouring in to both of your eyes. Imagining your eyes like these pools of cool, refreshing water, relaxing into the purification, the cleansing, the hydrating of the eyes. And then imagining a stream coming up the forehead, all the way up to the top of the head, connecting into the top of the head as you welcome shimmering shower of a cleansing light to come into the top of the head, and like waterfalls pouring down the back of the head, down the neck. Energy streams down the backside, nourishing the spine, hydrating the muscles as energy pours down the back, through the buttocks, welcoming energy to come down the hamstrings, the back of the knees, down the calves, and the pinky toe. Welcoming pain to release down the backside of the body, down towards the earth. Welcoming healing, cleansing energy, as the bladder meridian represents the rhythm of water. Welcoming the emotional textures to pour through the body, down and release out the feet. Welcoming in insight, energies of creativity to be nourished with water, relaxing and basking in the energetic attunement of the bladder meridian. Thank you for taking the time to heal yourself, learning these new tools to guide yourself into holistic well-being. As always, I bow to you. Namaste.